And now, Like Butter presents a Mega Monster Truck Rally announcer unfamiliar with Mega Monster Truck Rallies.
Hello, and welcome back to Channel 15, WBUZ TV, and, oh my God, there's been a horrible accident! Jesus Christ! Someone call the authorities! Oh, who in their right mind would drive over such enormous ramps? Why, God? Why are the trucks so big and the cars so small? Oh, God, I've never seen such devastation! Oh, the carnage! Oh, are those hoops on fire? Who would build such enormous hoops and cast them into this eternal flame? Oh, please, no. Is that a school bus? And the people are cheering! The children! Think of the children! I just don't understand! I'm not familiar with this at all! It's all just a show?
It's not real.
Oh, so it's just for fun?
Yeah, they're just here for fun.
And no one gets hurt?
It's supposed to be like,
And the announcer normally sounds more sorta kinda like Monday, Monday, Monday! See some big fucking trucks breaking shit, flipping flips, and jumping big ass jumps! See a 200-foot tall school bus butt fuck an ambulance! At the all-American red, white, and blue Mega Monster Truck Rally Extravaganza! Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are the days of the week you can have an ass ton of fun watching big trucks